How to start a business without money. 1. Identify your skills and strengths. What are you good at? What are your hobbies or interests? Think about how you can use your skills and talents to create a product or service that people will pay for. 2. Research your market. Who are your potential customers? What do they need or want? What are they willing to pay for it? 3. Create a business plan. A business plan will help you outline your goals, target market, and marketing and financial strategies. It will also help you stay organized and focused as you start and grow your business. 4. Consider alternative sources of funding. If you don't have any money to invest in your business, you may need to find alternative sources of funding. This could include borrowing money from friends or family, seeking out a small business loan or grant, or finding an investor. 5. Start small and scale up. Don't try to do too much too soon. Start with a small, low-cost product or service and then scale up as you gain more customers and revenue. Remember, starting a business takes time, effort, and persistence. Don't get discouraged if things don't go exactly as planned. It's all part of the process. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more financial videos.